Have you ever wondered how your smartphone's touchscreen responds instantly to your every touch? It's like magic, isn't it? But behind this magic lies an intricate world of technology. At the heart of it all is the capacitive layer. This is a layer that's sensitive to electrical charges. Imagine this. Each time your finger graces the screen, it completes an electrical circuit, causing a change in capacitance. This change is the key that unlocks your smartphone's responsiveness. In essence, every tap, every swipe is a conversation in electrical signals between your fingers and your phone. Sounds fascinating, right? But that's just the tip of the iceberg. This intricate dance of technology happens within layers of glass and plastic, invisible to the naked eye. So, are you ready to dive deeper into this marvel of modern technology? Let's delve deeper into this intricately layered marvel, starting with the capacitive layer. The capacitive layer, sensitive to electrical charges, acts as the nerve center of your touchscreen. This thin layer, invisible to the naked eye, is where the magic happens. You see, every time your fingertip comes into contact with the screen, it disrupts the screen's electrical field. This disruption is detected by the capacitive layer, which then sends this information to the device's controller. Now, the controller is a smart piece of hardware. It takes this information and calculates the precise location of your touch. It's a swift and seamless process, happening in the blink of an eye, making your smartphone respond instantly to your every tap and swipe. It is this capacitive layer that allows your smartphone to be so incredibly responsive and accurate. Now that we know how the capacitive layer works, let's explore how it recognizes our touch gestures. Our touchscreen devices are incredibly smart, recognizing a variety of gestures. Each touch gesture, whether a tap, a swipe, or a pinch, sends a unique electrical signal to your smartphone. Imagine tapping on your phone screen. This is a single point of contact, a simple gesture that sends a straightforward signal. Now consider swiping your finger across the screen. This continuous motion creates a dynamic electrical signal, a moving target that your phone effortlessly tracks. Then, there's the pinch to zoom gesture, where your phone detects and interprets two touch points moving simultaneously. It's a complex dance of signals, and your smartphone handles it with grace. But how does it manage all this? The answer lies in sophisticated algorithms. These algorithms analyze the electrical signals from your gestures, deciphering the exact nature and location of each touch. Behind this precise gesture recognition lies some sophisticated algorithms. Algorithms are the unsung heroes of our touchscreen experience. These intricate sets of rules are constantly at work behind the scenes, making sense of all those taps and swipes. But just how does this magic happen? Well, algorithms analyze the changes in capacitance at different points on the screen in real time. They calculate the exact location of your touch, down to the millimeter. This is how your phone knows the difference between a tap at the top of your screen and a swipe at the bottom. It's this level of precision that makes your touchscreen so incredibly accurate. So next time you're casually scrolling through your social media feed or playing your favorite mobile game, take a moment to appreciate the complex algorithms that make it all possible. As we marvel at today's touchscreen technology, it's fascinating to look back at its evolution. From resistive screens to capacitive technology, the journey of touchscreens is nothing short of remarkable. Imagine, once we were using styluses on resistive screens that relied on pressure. Fast forward to today, and we're effortlessly gliding our fingers across ultra-responsive capacitive touchscreens. But the evolution didn't stop there. In the early 2000s, touchscreens were still a novelty. They were often unresponsive and required a fair amount of pressure to register a touch. But as the years rolled by, there were significant advancements in technology. The touchscreens became more sensitive and accurate, paving the way for the smartphones we know and love today. The advent of capacitive technology was a game changer. Suddenly, our screens not only responded to touch but could also detect the precise location of that touch. This breakthrough led to the introduction of gestures, forever changing the way we interact with our devices. One of the most significant advancements in this journey is the introduction of multi-touch capabilities. Multi-touch technology has revolutionized our interactions with our devices. It's like having a symphony at your fingertips, each touch playing its part to create a harmonious user experience. Modern smartphones are quite the maestros in this regard. They can detect and interpret multiple touch points simultaneously, allowing for complex gestures that take our interactions beyond the basic tap. Imagine pinching to zoom into a map, using 2 fingers to rotate an image, or even playing a multi-touch game. All of these are made possible by the magic of multi-touch. The secret lies in the capacitive layer's ability to sense the electrical charges from multiple fingers at once, and sophisticated software that can interpret these multiple inputs in real time. It's a seamless dance between hardware and software, creating a fluid user experience. But like any technology, touchscreens have their own set of challenges. False touches can occasionally disrupt our touchscreen experience. This happens when your device mistakenly registers a touch input, causing unintended actions. It can be frustrating, but fear not. Technology is always one step ahead. Smartphone manufacturers employ advanced algorithms and palm rejection technology to tackle these issues. Imagine you're holding your phone and your palm accidentally grazes the screen. Without palm rejection technology, this could trigger unwanted inputs. But with this technology in place, your device can differentiate between intended touches and accidental ones, significantly reducing false touches. Moreover, sophisticated algorithms help in distinguishing between a light touch, a hard press, and a lingering touch. So, even if you accidentally brush against your screen, the phone won't react unless you apply a certain amount of pressure. As we continue to innovate and overcome these challenges, the future of touch technology looks promising. The future of touch technology holds exciting developments. Imagine a world where your smartphone screen could fold like paper, or provide tactile feedback that mimics the feel of real objects. That's not science fiction, but the reality we're moving towards. Foldable screens are already making their mark, promising a future where our devices are more portable and versatile than ever before. Haptic feedback is another frontier being explored, aiming to make our digital interactions more tangible and real. And let's not forget about improved sensitivity. The touchscreens of tomorrow will be more responsive, more precise, allowing for an even more seamless user experience. These are just a few glimpses into what the future holds. The world of touch technology is ever evolving, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So, what's next? Only time will tell. Stay tuned as we continue to explore and decode the fascinating world of technology.